shooting the bay down, as you can tell, extremely dirty. You guys are shooting the bay down. A lot of marks from the engines coming out over the years. Just painting the intercooler pipes, going black this season. And then there's the other one. Then the bay's clear coated finally. It's not clear coated. Just doing the wiring harness on this. That is an absolute mess from his previous install. The engine's ready to go back in. Let's do this. I got one on it. So guy dropped a bolt in here. This guy right here, look at him. This guy got it. Oh shit, he's wiping out. He's wiping. Had to cut it short to help these guys, but the engine's in now.